I'm here on the beautiful campus of Oklahoma State University, starting a PhD in mechanical and aerospace engineering, doing tornado research with Dr. Brian Elbing's group, studying infrasound generated from tornadoes. The hope here is that we can develop a new warning system to complement the radar system, which works really well, but it has some weak points. Dr. Elbing's group has been working on this research since 2016. Previously, all of their data had been from an array of infrasound microphones here in Stillwater. We're trying to develop a theory for what's generating the sound, and once we know that, we can use it for warnings. They got guys in the lab, and I'm going to be out doing the field research, a lot of storm chasing. So I am becoming a professional tornado chaser, which is really freaking awesome. I get to write a thesis about it, get to write some research papers helping save lives. It's really a dream come true. I never really saw myself pivoting into weather this quickly. It all happened super fast, just in time for storm season 2025. We'll have lots and lots of footage. We'll put out as much content as we can. Super excited, super grateful. God's really blessed me with this opportunity, and it's a new chapter in my life. So as always, y'all will be along for the ride, so go Pokes. I'm gonna be driving all over this great country, doing what I was already doing, but making a little bit of money for it. No, that sounds terrible.